Hi and welcome to another torture test video kind of rant about a 3D printer. This is all about, as you've probably worked out, the DaVinci 1.0A by XYZ printing. Right, first of all, the torture test. As you can see, I've performed another test on the printer. I've created this ring or a donut or tours or whatever you want to call it, and it took 6.5 hours to print out. I used a 0.2 millimeter, 0.2 millimeter thickness, 30% fill. It's pretty robust and solid, and as you can see, the thing did circles for 6.5 hours, which was pretty torturous, to be honest. The dimensions of it are 110 millimeters internally between the points, the closest points inside. It's got a 10 millimeter thickness in material here, and it's 50 millimeters high. So that's kind of like how long it took. And as you can see, well, you probably can't because there's perspective and the lens will parallax and all that kind of stuff. It's round. It's not oval, it's definitely round. I've took some pictures of it against a black background and also against the patterned carpet, just so that you can see that it's definitely round. So that's the torture test. Let's get rid of that. Now, here for the rant. What I've done is I've signed up to 3D Hubs, and I need to do a test print of their little duty guy called Marvin. I think he is. Can you see that? Sorry, Marvin. Right. Can you see? Yeah, I'll turn the light on. There. Oh, no, that's a bit weird. But there you go. So there's a little test print of him, and as you can see, if the light wasn't blinding you, I've done him in red ABS, and he's got, where's the close-up? There we go. No, focus. Focus. I must get something different than a phone to make his videos. Right, I don't know if you can see, but there's lines in him. He's got a lot of lines in him. So I thought, okay, I know what I'll do. I'll make a white one. So I made a white one, and I don't know if you can see, he's got lines in him. Oh, come on, stupid phone. Do I need to be further away? No? Yes? Probably. You probably can't see that. That's probably blurry and the worst camera action ever. Anyway, I then proceeded to acetone vapor finish one. And as you can see, or you probably can't see. There you go, that's better. That looks better. He is now completely smooth. High gloss finish, and all the lines are gone. The only thing is, I acetone finished him in the same container as I acetone finished this one. This is supposed to be red ABS. As you can see, the acetone had absolutely no effect. In fact, I'm going to go as far as to say that the red ABS is completely resistant to acetone. I can't get anything to melt in it. So, why is it that they sell a reel of ABS, which you can acetone finish, which is awesome, that comes in the cartridge, supplied by XYZ, and then you buy an open spool of ABS, and they say it's ABS, and it's completely resistant to acetone? Any thoughts on that? Right, well, that's me rant out the way. I'll get rid of them. And now, for my next trick, I've been watching a couple of channels. I'll put links in the description. A guy called Chuck and a guy called Jay, and they've both tried to make the triple bearing of Thingiverse, and they've both failed. They're both using DaVinci 1.0s, and they both failed. I'll put links to the videos in the description also. So what I did was, I used SolidWorks and tried to develop my own bearing, which would just be a single bearing, so that you could do it in a single print. And I'll insert at this point a picture of the dimensions that I used. I'll give you a chance to look at that. You can always pause the video, I suppose, if you need to. And now I'm going to show you what happened when it printed out. I'll just move the camera, and I'll do a zoomy thing. Zoomies. Ooh, that's a bit close. There we go. And as you can see, it printed out in one piece. But I printed it out too big, and it fell to bits. So the settings I used were 0.2mm thickness, standard speed, and I used supports to the low density, and you'll be able to compare the dimensions in the drawing. That it was a 12mm ball. Sorry, no, that's wrong. It was a 10mm ball and a 12mm track, and all the parts just fell out of it. So what I'll do is I shall refine the design, and I'll make it an 11mm track, and I'll print it out again, and I'll see if it works. But yeah, so there you go. You can print out a bearing that falls to bits, which is pretty much a fail. But yeah, I'll post the next one, and we'll see how well or badly it does. Anyway, I'll keep it short for this time because, as you can probably tell by my voice, I've got a bit of a cold, and if I talk too long, then it hurts. So, as usual, please like, comment, and subscribe. I've been Steve. Thanks for listening.